Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide drive letter in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide drive letter in Windows 10 computer, open File Explorer and click on this PC. Look, drive letters are showing here. Now I am going to show you how to hide drive letter. Click on View tab. Now click on Options. Here click on View tab. Scroll down. Here you will find an option Show drive letters. Just uncheck it and click on Apply. Look, now drive letter is not showing here. If you want to show drive letter again, just click on Show drive letters and click on Apply here. Look, again drive letter is showing. I'm going to hide again. Click on Apply and click on OK. Look, drive letters are not showing in Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.